Hi, I'm Ed Alexander with the Entrepreneurship Law Firm, and this is the Business Killing Mistakes blog. On previous blog entries, you see me talk a little bit about partnership and shareholders agreements. Well, when it comes to technology companies or companies that are going to have financial investors, these shareholders agreements look a little bit differently. See, when somebody buys into a company, when professional investors provide you with money in order to be able to move forward with the company, they're typically not going to get a majority stake in the company, so they cannot control what happens in the company. The only way that they can do this is to make sure that there's a shareholders agreement in place that limits the ability of the shareholders, the majority shareholders, and the board of directors to do certain things. So when a financial partner, an investor, gives you money to go forward in your business and they know what they're doing, you should expect that they're going to require a shareholders agreement that limits the ability of the board of directors to do things like pay money in excess of what's in budgeted amounts, requires that certain of the investors approve the budget before it's out there, prohibits the ability to change the various salaries or change the perks that come along with being an owner or a president or an employee of the business, and also permits them or requires them to actually elect certain number of members of the board of directors. The key here is that the investor wants to be sure that the entrepreneur follows the plan. And the plan is typically what's set out by the entrepreneur. And if they don't make their numbers, then what's going to happen is the investor is going to be able to come in and make sure that the plan is protecting the investor's money. If you want to find out more about this or any other business killing mistake, please feel free to go to my website, www.entrepreneurshiplawfirm.com. You can also give me a call at 407-649-7777. Thanks, and I look forward to seeing you next time.